1,000-kilometre journey across Australia, heading up the Supercharger Highway to Rockhampton, then making a sharp left turn across Queensland and the Northern Territory, charging where we can. Okay, here we are on second day, day 2. We've got about 60%, so we'll see how far we can get to Rockhampton. Rockhampton is about 600 kilometres away, so we'll go to Rockhampton, Queensland. So Gympie, we can get to Gympie Supercharger, and we'll get there with 20%. Which should be fine, and then we might be able to get to Rockhampton all the way, but there is a couple of third-party chargers, Gin and so forth up there, so we'll probably stop there and just get a bit more charge on the way. So first stop, Gympie, and we're on our way. Got to Gympie Supercharger. The estimator is now tracking perfectly almost, so we're out of the rain. We're doing good miles. Let's check our trip data. So today, so we're averaging 145 watt hours per kilometre. That's about normal, and that was on 110 and 100 highways. There was a fair bit of 80s roadwork though, so I think 150 is our average. Gympie is just a small supercharger in the shopping centre with 4 stalls. I think it says we can get enough power to go to Rockhampton, but we'll see what that is. So it's telling me it's got another 50 minutes to go for charging. It doesn't say what percentage it wants to get to. I think it's going to be close to sort of 90, 95. So I've set the limit to 93, I think. And we'll come back in 50 minutes and see where we're at. I'm planning on doing another stop anyway, but this may be enough to get to Rockhampton. But I'll do another stop on the way somewhere just to try out these Queensland electric highway things, and it gives a bit of buffer going into Rockhampton. So, time for lunch. Okay, we had lunch at Gympie. It was okay. Ordered a ham and salad sandwich. Came without the salad, so it was just ham. That was alright. It's charged up to 97%, so a bit higher than I thought. And this says we can actually get to Gympie we get to Rockhampton with 21%. If I put that in Better Route Planner, it says I need to charge halfway. Anyway, what I'll do, we'll go to Gin and we'll see what it goes down to there. Right, let's go to Gin, and there's a charger there. the wrong way. So I'm gonna cut back and go up this road here and get back on the A1. It's gonna be a bit longer. I'll definitely have to charge en route now. What a weird little scenario. This is the Gin Queensland Electric Highway charger. It's a 50 kilowatt, a lot like the NRMA ones. I have this card, which is an EV card, but ChargeFox let you register other RFID cards on the same thing. So that worked. You fire it up. We're doing about 36 kilowatts. It took us a long time to get here through the wrong turn and then roadworks. But we're here now. It's about 4 o'clock. We've got 250 k's to go to Rockhampton, so we need to charge to about 75%. So we'll probably be here another half hour, 40 minutes. We're at 81%, a bit higher than I thought. Let's navigate. We're going to go to Motel 98, which is the motel in Rockhampton with Tesla chargers. And we'll see if we've got enough to get there. Should have heaps. 2 hours 52. Get there with 32%. Sweet. Well, goodbye Gin. This is the last DC charger that I will see, probably, until somewhere around Port Augusta, Clare Valley in South Australia in about 6 weeks' time. So goodbye DC, hello AC. Made it to Rockhampton about 8 o'clock at night, long trip. Awesome Tesla charger. Let's go check out the stat. Today, 148 average, 698 Ks, 700 Ks. That's pretty good, I think. So overall, we're sort of just dropped a little bit down to 165. So another big day. Left at 9, got here at 8. From now on, like I said before, we're only on the AC chargers, so we can't go as far every day. But good to be here, and we'll hit the road early tomorrow to head off to Emerald and then to whatever other town is, I can't remember.